The factory is located in the fabric heart of Italy. It's surrounded by beautiful nature, and they have a unique skill of combining art with science. The islands are rugged and sun-bleached. Like Australia, it's a place of extremes, and this informed the colour palette of the range. The ombre collection in particular embodies an iconic Italian style. It's actually technically very difficult to produce. By blending different yarns, we worked with colour and density to create up close a fabric that is highly detailed, but from afar looks beautiful, bold and clean. We love all the small details and textures in the fabric. Using different tones and colours in the crossweave really gives a beautiful sense of depth and movement. We've designed it to bridge the gap between a soft upholstery fabric and a stiff outdoor awning fabric. We like to think we've hit a bit of a sweet spot that's unique to Basil Bangs.